What's up, family? Welcome back to Makeup with Motivation. If you're new here, hey, my name is Asia, and I create resourceful video series that help you look good, smell good, and follow Jesus. Today's Makeup with Motivation video is featuring Kiss because we're talking about trying new things. There are so many benefits to trying new things on both your mental and physical health. So I decided to challenge myself to trying do-it-yourself lash extensions. So that's what we're doing today. And as always, every single product that I'm gonna use on my face today is linked within this video so you can easily shop it. Now, if for some reason YouTube doesn't have it available in the shop, you can find it linked down in the description box. So it's super convenient. We love it. Now, let's talk about the collection because I have so many Falscara products. It's honestly a little bit too much, but we're here for it, right? You got your festive vibes, okay? We're talking about Halloween type lashes when you want to be dramatic, cosplay, all the things. They have different wisps for that, as well as your more everyday wearable. You got your L curl wisp, which is like a dramatic lift. You've got your accent wisps and the Bambi wisp, which are both pretty natural, but the accent wisp have this slight pinch in them that kind of gives you a little extra flair. So you can play around with that. And you also have your more dramatic ones, girl. We got the super dramatic, spiky glam wisps and the so extra wisps. Like, the possibilities are so endless when it comes to mixing and matching your lash sets, okay? So though they have a bunch of products, really what I want to use today is one of their kits. So I actually have two of their kits. They have their original kit, which is the starter kit. It's lengthening. You have your wisps, of course, and then you have bond, seal, and your application tool. This one doesn't come with the overnighter, so I'm not using this one. I'm actually going to use this newer kit instead. So this comes with your remover. It comes with your overnighter, which helps the lashes to last up to 10 days. It comes with your bond, your seal. You got medium, short, and long wisps. And then you have your application tool as well. So this right here is what we're working with today. And it is priced at $19.99. Now let's talk right quick about some of the other products that Kiss has before we get into that. So I did want to share, they have this stuff called Lash Purify, which clearly I haven't used any of these products yet, but I do want to try this out because it removes waterproof makeup and glue from your lashes, so that way you can reuse them. So that's definitely something to check out. Another amazing product that I want to try out of all this stuff that I got right here is the Falscara remover. Now, of course, they have the remover in here, but they also have this one too. So I'm curious to know what's the difference and which is better. And they also have another one that I thought was pretty cool. This easy jelly remover. You put it on and then the lashes come off. So all of those are pretty interesting to me. The other products that you guys saw briefly are the overnighter, bond and seal, and prep and prime, and all of these come in a starter kit if you get a starter kit. But if you don't get a starter kit, then you would need to get these separately. And one thing I noticed too about these Halloween lashes, they got stars on them, girl. Can y'all see them little stars? There's literally stars on these, so that's pretty cool. So needless to say, the creativity is endless when it comes to this. You can mix and match, you can do your own thing. Now, though all these are amazing, there is still one particular product that is on my wish list, and it is the Kiss Impress. I want these, okay? They are the exact same as this, okay? Exact same concept, but they are pre-glued. Never have I ever seen a wisp, a individual lash that you put on without glue. Like, girl, sign me up immediately. I really want to try those out. So that'll be my next little thing. I definitely will be trying out those Kiss Impress lashes, but for now, this is what I got. So this is what I'm using. All right, so we are working from the outer corner to the inner corner because that's what I was told is the best thing to do. I also have a Falscara mirror because most of these products, well, all of these products were received via PR. How cute is this little mirror? Here is like a up close unpackaged view of what we're using. I cut the lights down a little bit so y'all can see. So I did attend a little bit of training on this, okay? Not claiming to be an expert at all, but I did attend a training with Kiss and Ashley K. Holmes for the Falscara application. So I'm going to take this right here. One side is the bond, one side is the seal. Girl, we just going straight into this thing. Basically, she said that when you get good at it, you honestly can apply it in less than 5 minutes, in about 5 minutes. I know I'm not about to get this done in 5 minutes today. She advised that you start in the outer corner, and she was saying to apply it little by little. So rather than just putting it on the whole lash, she was saying just do it section by section. So that's what I'm gonna do. What is this? Is this the right thing? Okay. So you put the bond on first, like mascara. And then you take your wisp. So I'm gonna use medium. I feel like medium is long enough. I hope I'm right. I'm gonna use medium and short. Okay. So I feel a little slow. Okay. So then you're supposed to put it underneath. I need this. Oh, wow. Okay. Lashes do stick together when you blink, eh? Oh, that was fun. Oh my gosh. I need to bring y'all in more because y'all can't see nothing that was so cool. Oh, hold on. Oh, snap. Okay. Y'all all in my grill. Okay, but can you see my little lash? I feel as though I could have went out a little wider. Can I take it off? Okay. Don't do that. That's not what you want to do. But I'm gonna do it. Okay, so let's try again. Let's put the bond here on the outside. And then this time, I'm gonna actually put it further out. We go. Wow. So now that I kind of understand what I'm doing a little bit, we could talk about this whole trying new things thing. There honestly are so many benefits to trying new things. Not only is it super good for your brain because every time you try new things, you're learning, and learning is really good. It creates new neurological pathways. Okay. Like right now, I'm creating some neurological pathways, which is really good for your brain. Not only that, when you learn new things, when you try new things and you learn actually how to do it, it boosts your confidence and it can lead to new opportunities because once you master something, I mean, it then puts you in a position to be able to teach. It puts you in a position to be able to maybe, true, maybe I'll get so good at this, I'll give me a little side hustle. No. But, you just never really know how you'll develop in whatever you try. You just never know. And it gives you an opportunity to discover yourself and to discover your skill sets. It can be a mood booster. Not to mention, it's scientifically proven that when you learn new things, when you try new things, it releases endorphins and dopamine in the brain. So you get a little boost, you get a little extra high. Okay, you don't get high. Don't, Asia, calm down. But it's the same thing like when you complete a workout, when you run, those are endorphins. It's just a really good accomplishing feeling. Not to mention your actual like learning speed increases, which is good, because we all age and someday you're going to be old and you want to keep your ability to learn sharp. You don't want to be that person who is like, baby, now how I turn this phone, how I get to here, like, you want to be able to understand what your grandbaby is saying right away as soon as they say it. Okay. That's cute. I see what's happening. Do you see what's happening? Now, I'm doing a very not dramatic look, clearly. But, I'm kind of trying to give like, oh, Asia, your lashes are long. That's the goal. Okay, so that's cute. That's all cute. It's all good. We doing it. We doing it. All right, so now I'm gonna go on with the short ones. So yeah, not only are you getting your dopamine rush, your endorphins, your new neurological pathways, your ability to learn quickly, but it's boosting your mood. And a lot of times when it comes to like our self-care, I'm going in with the short, by the way, right now. A lot of times when it comes to our self-care, this one right here, a little tricky Ricky. Oh, snap. Did I figure something out? Trying new things could make a world of a difference. Hold on. Okay, I thought I figured something out, and then I realized, okay, I got it. Oh my gosh, y'all. This one is a little hard. I can't even see. I hope I put it on. Did I? Oh, I did. Okay. Um, these are very not dramatic, okay? I feel the endorphins. No, I'm just kidding. So now, girl, we're gonna put on some seal. Okay, we're gonna seal these babies in. And then the overnighter, we're gonna put that on. So the overnighter is what makes it last. It's what gives you that extra long wear, 10-day wear. Oh, it's black? I didn't know overnighter was black. Anyway, that's what the overnighter is. So you're supposed to put it slightly above the bands. So there you go, before and after. I went for a very, very natural look, clearly, but I still feel as though, you know, it's a good difference. It's a good difference, but very natural, very natural. Let me bring y'all back out. Now I'm gonna do this other eye without you so close to my face, because girl, I know you probably feel a little invasive right now. Okay, so I'm going to do it again, do the bond. I really want to try this again with longer lashes. One thing I can say with my contacts on right now, I can see the band, and I don't know, it's kind of aggy, but maybe it gets better with time. All right, so medium, medium, medium. Oh wow. It's instantly easier the second time around. Like that was way easier. Wow. I regret not putting the long ones on though, because I feel like it's giving meh. So anyways, back to this trying new things thing. All right, so let me really break down why I'm encouraging you to try new things. So Proverbs 17:22 says, a joyful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Listen, a person's attitude affects their outlook on life, even their health. So if a person is joyful, negative circumstances don't knock them off balance because they have that positive center to fall back into. The ultimate source of joy for believers should be the relationship with Christ. It is our relationship with Christ. So instead of looking around at our circumstances, a joyful believer looks at the Lord and they rejoice in him. Now, on the contrary, being mentally beat down leads to the physical symptoms of severe depression. So whoever fails to look at God and his faithful goodness becomes joyless and loses hope. They develop a crushed spirit. So how do we cultivate this then? Well, finding gratitude, of course, but sometimes it's as little as trying new things. Sometimes it's as little as taking those moments to enjoy the many blessings that you have. Take those moments to try new things. Like, look at me. This is PR that I received over a year ago, you guys. It's been sitting behind me in this little storage unit for almost 2 years now. But I pulled it out because I said, you know what? I need to try new things. And now, listen. Not only do I feel cute because the lashes are here and lashes make everything just a little bit better, but also I realized like, hey, I can do this and I'm enjoying the good gifts that my Father has given. For we know that every good and perfect gift comes from above. Only reason why I received this PR is because God said I could have it. Amen. So I'm going to enjoy it, right? Sometimes us having those moments of joy, they are not super duper deep. They're as simple as the spiritual discipline of being grateful and of enjoying what the Lord has given. Here's a final look at the lashes, okay? The lashes are cute, very natural look. I'm gonna put some waterproof mascara on the bottom because we're going outside and, you know, who knows what awaits us in Texas heat. It's like 80 degrees outside, so we're gonna do waterproof. so that way we can be ready. Trying new things has saved me from some of the darkest times, honestly. I was getting counseling like in 2021. My counselor was like, listen, you're going to need to have a hobby. You're going to need to have a moment of self-care. And so I bought me some roller skates. I started going outside, practicing, and I was learning new tricks. That's what made it fun. Because I couldn't always go to like adult night. And a lot of times, adult night, they be doing the most. I'm not as skilled as you, ma'am. So you can't be cutting and whipping and rolling and doing all that in front of me. Like, I'm going to need y'all to do all that extra stuff in the middle, not in the middle of the lane. Anyways, sometimes, you know, they be doing a lot. So I would just skate by myself. And oh my goodness, I would have so many amazing moments where I'm learning new things. And when I would get it, it would just bring me so much joy. And I was just embracing and enjoying an opportunity, a space, a moment that God gave me, because not only did he provide the skates, but my husband was like, no, you go handle this. You go take care of yourself. You need some you time. You can't be superwoman. Go take some time, you know, just having that space. And whether it's as little as you putting on some lashes and just feeling cute because you learned how to put on your own lashes, or you getting a new hobby, you getting a new thing, you trying a new lipstick, whatever it is, try new things, because in doing so, it's great for your brain, great for your physical and mental health. And it can help you really to embrace and enjoy the things that you already have. All right. Wasn't that a good wisdom nugget, motivational nugget? So I want you to chime in down below and let us know one new thing that you're going to be trying this week, okay? I'll go first. You can find mine down in the comment box down below. I literally give you 7 days to put this into action. Whatever you put down there in the comments, you got 7 days, girl. And I want to see you love on you by trying something new. Be sure to tune in next Monday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time and subscribe so that way you do not miss any of my uploads. Until next time, take care, loves. Bye.